Exponents. Let us simplify the expressions given to us. I'd like you to copy the questions, pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestion. Well, the first one is y cube x to the power of minus 2 divided by y to the power of minus 2 x to the power of minus 3. Now we can always combine the terms which have the same base. Now here we are dividing. Therefore, their exponents will get subtracted. So what do we get here? We get y to the power of 3 minus of minus 2. As far as x is concerned, x to the power of minus 2 minus of minus 3, right? And that is y to the power of minus minus becomes plus, so we get 5. And here we get x to the power of minus 2 plus 3, that is 1. So there is no need to write 1. This is our final answer. X to the power of 5 times, rather y to the power of 5 times x, correct? So that becomes the answer. Now in the second case, there are two different terms and we are dividing first by the second. So let's see how we can combine these terms. Now we have y cube here divided by y to the power of minus 2. So one way is we can write all of them as multiplication and then we can do addition, right? But well, let's do, because we need to. Okay, so what we'll prefer here to do is write them with multiplication so that we can add them up, right? So what we get here is y cube x to the power of minus 2 over z to the power of minus 3. When you multiply, you have to reverse them. So you get y to the power of minus 2 x to the power of minus 3 over z to the power of 3, right? Now it is kind of simpler. So we can add all the exponents, right? And then simplify. And for us, z's are in the denominator, right? So they also get really added up. So let's add. Now y to the power of 3 minus 2. So let me do it in two steps. So we get 3 minus 2 as far as x is concerned to the power of minus 2 and then plus minus 3. Now for z, we can write this as z to the power of minus 3 plus 3, correct? They are both in denominator, correct? So that simplifies to 3 minus 2 is 1, so we get y here. And for x, it is minus 2 minus 3, which makes it minus 5. And for z, it is minus 3 plus 3, which is 0, correct? Now it's a good idea to write with positive exponents. Z to the power of 0 is 1, right? Therefore, we can write this as y over x to the power of 5. So that is a better way of writing this as a final answer, okay? So I'd like you to check this again and then understand how we really did it, okay? So I prefer to change it to multiplication and then do. You could have continued with division also. In that case, at this stage, it'd be 3 minus and minus, so it becomes complicated, as you can see. So it's always better to convert division into multiplication by writing the reciprocal of the function and then continue with the solution. I hope this technique helps. Thank you and all the best.